baby bump. Hey guys, it's Timotha XO, indie artist, songwriter, producer, wife, and soon to be a mom. Okay, so let's dive right in. Tip number 5. Make homemade, blender-friendly pureed soups packed with lots of nutritious ingredients. The reason why I like to say do a pureed soup is because you can pack all kinds of nutritious ingredients. It could be kale, it could be spinach, potatoes, different types of greens, tomatoes, all kinds of different vegetables, and you can blend them together. And what the blending process does is help your digestive system, give it a little bit of a break. Because one thing that some of you probably already know is that digestion starts in the mouth, and a lot of times we don't chew our food well enough for us to really get all the nutrients out of it. We're just taking a few bites, chewing, and then swallowing big chunks. Well, what we don't realize is that a lot of times when you do that, you haven't chewed the food enough for your intestines and your colon to really take the nutrients out. It hasn't been broken down enough in order for your body to be able to extract the nutrients once it gets into the rest of the digestive tract. So you need to really chew much longer than we generally chew for it to become kind of a creamy consistency. I know I don't generally chew like that. I'm trying to do better, but I generally don't. So when you blend things like make a smoothie or make a soup, that helps your digestive system. The things are, all of the nutrients are already kind of broken down from the blender, and you're able to really extract the nutrients as the soups, the warm soup runs through your body. My favorite is broccoli potato soup. All it is frozen or fresh broccoli, organic, my favorite. I use Yukon potatoes, or you could use russet, and then onions. Yellow onions is what I use, and a little bit of water. And basically all I do is put a little bit of water and then a teaspoon of Celtic salt into a big Dutch oven, and I chop up, in big chunks, the potato, wash the potato, chop that up, chop up the broccoli just a little bit, chop up in big chunks the onion, and then just put it into the water, let it come to a boil, but then bring it down, simmer it for a little bit, and then just pour all of that, once the potatoes are soft, pour all of that into a blender. I'm all about the Vitamix, so let me know if you want me to do a review on the Vitamix and just tell you more about it, but I'm all about it. I've done the Ninja, I've done all kinds of different blenders. Vitamix, for me, by far, is the best blender, especially for soups and smoothies. I'll put a link below to Vitamix. It's kind of pricey, but in the end, it works, and all those other blenders that I've gotten, their engines have blown out. So I still don't have my own personal Vitamix, but right now I'm in Minneapolis with my parents. I'm up here doing a show. They have a Vitamix back in Los Angeles. I'm trying to get my husband to get a Vitamix, and so I know maybe he'll get one for baby. Let me know if you are a Vitamix owner, or if you want a Vitamix, just like what your feelings on Vitamix are, because I love the Vitamix blender. It's so great for this type of thing. But anyway, while I've been here in Minneapolis at my parents' house, we've been using the Vitamix and making this soup. It's broccoli potato soup. I actually had it for dinner today. Who would have thought? It's really good. So, blend homemade soups with lots of healthy, natural, organic ingredients. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.